Hi everyone. Well, we didn't get the snow that was forecast for our area, but it is very cold and frosty out. So today is an ideal time to have a look in my envelope that came yesterday. Now I've ordered some seeds for next year. So let's take all these leaflets out. Let's get lots of bits that we don't need. Put those back in there. Right, here we go. What have we got? Sort out flowers. It's lettuce, sweet peas, tomatoes, squash, lettuce. That's calendulas. We do get some packets that I haven't got pictures on, but I'll try and find some photos for you. That's another tomato. Right, let's have a look, see what we've got. Right, first packet, that is just plain packet, but that's some calendulas. So I'll find a picture for that. I've ordered some more sweet peas. That looks pretty, doesn't it? Some sweet peas there. And some pansies. They're always a winner, aren't they, pansies? Now, what I've got here is some cucumbers. They're the small ones, which seem to do really well. But this year, I'm only going to plant 3 plants in the greenhouse. I had 6 last year, and I was absolutely overrun with cucumbers. So, yeah, I'm going to scale back on those. Now, tomatoes. I've got 4 different varieties here. Crimson Crush, tasty large round tomatoes. So that looks nice, doesn't it? The ones I had last year was all small tomatoes, the baby plum tomatoes and cherry tomatoes, but I'm going to try something different this year round. So I've got those ones there. Now this yellow one, that's a beefsteak tomato. And I thought it would be nice to have bigger variety, for sandwiches or something. So that's that one. Got a tigerella there. That's a interesting looking one, isn't it? And Alicante. I remember my parents used to grow this a lot, and they're just nice size, just ordinary tomatoes. It says sweet and full of flavour, and from what I remember, they are a good tomato. So give those a go. Now, I've got some lettuce here. Now that's the red leaf one, which will be quite nice. And then I've also got some green ones, which are a mix of leaves. So that's those. Now, this year, next year, I thought I would plant some courgettes. Now, I don't know where I'm going to put them because I haven't got a lot of space to grow something that's going to be quite big. But I thought I'd give it a go, perhaps one plant to a pot. We'll see how we go. So that's your yellow ones. Now, I've got some here, which is just a plain packet, but that's just the usual green ones. And I thought I'd try some squash because I've not grown those before. And again, I don't know where I'm going to fit them in. Just one plant in a pot somewhere, but we'll see how we go. So, yeah, I've got a lot of seeds in my seed box already, but these are all the new ones. So I'll give those a try next year and see how we go with that.